Hey guys, it's Tom from Verus Engineering, and today we're going to go over the install for the billet modular oil caps for the EJ series engines on Subarus. This is what you'll end up with in the package. We have two different styles here. You'll have one oil cap, you'll have the set screw, and the oil cap adapter, the threaded adapter. Okay, so first things first, we're going to take the oil cap off of the car. Like so. Then you're going to take your either flat blade screwdriver, O-ring remover, or seal remover, pick, fingernails, whatever you want. Take this, your old oil cap, and do whatever you want with it. We're going to throw ours away probably. So the next thing you're going to do is grab your new cap. You'll see the O-ring groove here. Put your O-ring in there, easy peasy. Then grab your set screw and you're going to thread the set screw in all the way till it bottoms out on the cap. Then grab your, oh, there it is, threaded adapter. So you're gonna put them together. Screw it all the way in, bottom it out. You don't need to tighten it or anything like that. You just need to bottom it out. Then the next thing, basically what we're gonna do is put it back on the car. So we have it installed in the car now, but if you do want the logo to sit correctly, and by correctly I mean if you're trying to read it from the front of the car, what we've done is built in a set screw that will allow for some adjustment so that you could get that exactly where you want it. Okay, so to get the oil cap clocked in the correct direction, we're going to take it back off the car. So we know the cap was in this direction and we need it to be in this direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the threads are loose, like I said before. You're going to hold the threaded adapter. So what I have to do is actually go counterclockwise until I get the logo where I want it. Now, there is an O-ring on the back, so I would recommend probably turning it back a little bit further because typically you're not going to just bottom it out. You're going to actually give it an extra crank to crush the O-ring just a little bit so that it seals. So what we're going to do is kind of turn it there. Actually we're going to tighten the set screw, but by tightening the set screw now, what we're actually doing is loosening it because we want it to bottom out up against the threaded adapter. If I did this right, it'll be correct. I kind of did it right. You'll notice the logo is in fact going in sort of the correct direction here. But if I go to crank on it, it's a little bit crooked. So I'm going to fix that real quick off camera and then show you the final result. Here's the OEM cap. Now we're going to take it off and we're going to come over here and look at these two things next to each other. This sucks. This is cool. All right, so the O-ring in question, if you look at my thumb, I'm going to point to it, it's right here. You can see the O-ring here, pretty simple. And now we're going to assemble the oil cap and put it on the car. And there we go. That's going to conclude the install video for the modular oil cap for the Mustang GT350. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to email us at sales@verusengineering.com. Thanks.